Yes.
Take a deep breath.
2, 3,
Go.
oh, yay! Grandma and Margaret did it.
Happy birthday.
I want to see it.
Well,
Isn't
if
that
that
funny?
didn't see you, didn't blow anything
I
out?
got one of these too. Yeah,
Oh,
maybe.
Grandma made it.
Grandma.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see it.
Did she give them to all three of us?
Yeah.
Let's see it.
Oh, she did?
Can you take
What
it
is it?
It's
out?
ration stamps.
Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that.
I think I got Grandma's.
Okay, I got it.
What?
This one's for Jesse.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I can, honey.
Who's Jesse?
Aunt Jessie.
Her sister.
Jesse's girl.
You can eat it. Go for it.
Kelly, what are you doing? So when'd you guys eat the other half?
At the party yesterday.
It's a pretty cake. Look at how pretty it is.
Did you have a kids party yesterday?
Yeah.
You see how pretty it is?
Tomorrow, Ellie.
What do you want to open next?
There's another one.
No,
What,
not that one.
Oh, the little one.
Which one?
Why don't you open this big one?
I love that present. Isn't it pretty?
You videotaping?
Pretty wrapping paper.
Oh.
Oh, it's a card. You want to
Open
read
the card
the card?
first.
I feel bad. I guess Carly sent cards and I haven't checked mail in a couple days. I'm sorry.
What's that?
Can't read it. That's a mommy and a little girl and a little boy, and she's getting a birthday cake.
What's the spaghetti?
Oh, okay.
What? Does it say Ellie? Yeah.
I was wondering about that.
It says, "Our dearest Elliot, hope your birthday is
Is full of sweet things. Happy birthday to our girl. Love Papa Mike and Grandma Sarah.
It sounded like separate people. Papa,
I
Mike,
know, I have
and
to
Grandma
do it
Sarah.
because they I can't say Grandma
Ellie.
Grandpa.
Do you need help?
Uh-huh.
What do you need?
Oh, you nice over there.
You technically don't have to say Grandma Sarah.